Well, hello, it's Bears back. Got another lock. I've got a lot of sesamees, but I didn't have a round body, so I figured I'd pick one up. I like the sesame line. They're pretty good quality and not a bad price. I got this one for like $15. Let me show you the bidding on that. A lot of the sesamees that I've dealt with so far have all had security pins, and they're along those lines of American and Master, at a better price to me. So I'm going to go in here, and I don't feel nothing on any of the. I got one on one. Back to the back. Everything hardened up in the back once I hit that one. Got one on 5. 4 feels solid. 3 feels solid. Let's go back and start again. Find pin 5. Okay, he feels set. Pin 4 feels set. I got a click out of 3. Movement out of 2. When I hit it. And we're open. That was on pin 1. Oh, that was nice. Ooh, that one's right up there on this front part. Oh man! Oh, somebody put that screw in there tight. Okay, let's make us some room here. Make sure we get that out. Give me this. And out she comes. There is a anti-bypass wafer up in there. So since it's in there, we'll leave it in there. Okay. Get out of my way. This the big one. Oh, I was using that on the big ones. Let me switch her down. Oh, you dog. Slipped right off of there. Oh, come on. You are pissing me off. Don't start this. I'm going to lock it up since we have a key. I'm not going to play with that anymore. Let's move that around to this hole here. See if we can get it to dig in right there. I don't think it's going to. Little stinker. Ew. Got it. Finally. Let's go ahead and turn this. Get my follower. Oh, don't do that. You know what? You're giving me a little crud like. on that one, so I'll fix you. I don't know. Oh, 6-pin cylinder. Looks like they all had to be picked. Looks like an anti-bump cutouts there, the little milling for anti-bump. One, I'll show you the pins. One, I'm not sure which one was 2 and which one was 3. Well, 2 would be the short one, yep. And 5, okay. Get these down here. I think, let go. They go like that. All right, I'm just gonna do it this way, guys, because these are so small. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What do we have there? Interesting. Yeah, other pins are spring here. Move our pins down here. And spring there. And what we have is on the bottom we got serrated 1, 3, and 4 serrated, and on the top we have a standard anti-bump pin and then 3 spools. So that's what we got inside. What am I on? This little Sesamee. It's the 936 series. There's your box. So it's a really decent lock, guys. So if you want to pick one up, that'll do you good. All right, that's all I have for us today. Thanks for watching. Stay legal and have fun, guys. Bye.